Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss latest job openings in Chennai location. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for clerical assistant from Sri Sasta group of institutions. It is located in Chennai location. For this job position, 3 to 5 years of experience is needed. Age should be between 30 and less than 30 years. Typing skill must along with any UG degree in regular. And these are the responsibilities and the duties needed for this job position. Please go through it once. For further details, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9566040907. Next, there is a job opening for executive maintenance from Hemkel. It is located in Chennai location, and here are the some details about this job position. You need all these skills for this job position. Please check with the information provided for this job position. It is a full-time job, and if you are interested, please send your resume to this provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for professional assistant 2 from Anna University. It is also located in Chennai location. For this job position, only one vacancy is available. Salary is not disclosed. Freshers can be eligible for this job position. Coming to education qualification, it will be MSc. Last date to apply for this job position is 15th February 2021, and selection procedure is mentioned here. Please check with this once, and for detailed information you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for purchase executive from Abhi Vairavans Plumbing. It is located in Chennai location. They are offering a salary range for this job position is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. And coming to job description, research potential vendors, compare and evaluate offers from suppliers, negotiate contract terms of agreement and pricing, track orders and ensure timely delivery, review quality of purchased products, enter order details, examples into internal databases, and maintain updated records of purchased products, delivery information and invoices, prepare reports on purchases including cost analysis, monitor stock levels and place orders as needed, coordinate with warehouse staff to ensure proper storage. This is the job description, and the job responsibilities are also available here, and it is for female candidates. The candidate should be good in Excel, and if interested candidates, please contact with the given contact number, that is 9962555037. Next, there is a job opening for billing executive stores from Maruti Plastics. It is located in Egmore location, Tamil Nadu. For this job position, 35 years of experience in manufacturing, all kinds of high quality flexible packaging. This much of experience is needed, and the candidate should have knowledge in Excel, and he should have experience in Tally, ERP9, and having taxation knowledge is an added advantage. And to apply for this job position, please contact with the given phone number, that is 98404 Next, there is a job opening for finance account executive. For this organization, it is also located in Chennai location. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 26,000 rupees per month. And here are the all details about this job position, that is about job description, responsibilities and the skills needed for this job position. Please check with the all the information provided here, and interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 75400 Next, there is a job opening for insurance sales from InnoSource Service Private Limited. It is located in Chennai location. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. It is for both males and female candidates. Communication will be good, and to contact to apply for this job position, please contact the HR, and we have provided here the numbers, that is 8390453810, and second one 8939761123. These are the phone numbers. Please contact with these phone numbers if any queries. Next, there is a job opening for store in charge from Saravanan Electricals and Engineering Private Limited. It is also located in Chennai location, Poonamalle, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 30,000 rupees per month. Here are the some details about this job portion. Please go through it once. Please check with the all details, what are the job requirements and the skills needed for this job position. Check all the information related to this job position provided here, and any queries please contact with the given phone number, that is 9677830628. Next, there is a job opening for cashier from AR Rahman Biryani. It is located in Padiyanallur location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. They are looking for candidates who can join immediately for cashier position. For this job position, qualification will be 12th. It is for female candidates. Interested candidates, please call to this number, that is 7010733831. Next, there is a job opening for biochemist from St. Thomas Hospital. It is located in Chennai location. For this job position, education qualification will be MSc Biochemistry with DMLT. Freshers or 1 year of experienced candidates both can apply for this job position, biochemist. Computer skills are needed, and we have provided here the job description. Please go through it once. To apply for this job position, you can send your resume to this provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for front office receptionist from St. Thomas Hospital, and for this job position, freshers or 1 year of experienced candidates are needed. Coming to education qualification, any undergraduates are eligible to apply for this job position. Computer skills are needed. High preference to hostler. These are the requirements for this job position, and also please check with the job description provided here. To apply for this job position, please send your resume to this provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for store in charge from Srivaru and Co. It is located in Chennai location, Tamil Nadu. Please check with the all details provided here for this job position. What are the job requirements and the skills needed here? Needed are mentioned here. Please check with this once, and to apply for this job position, you can check with the contact number, that is 8220672333. Next, there is a job opening for UK voice process from All Area Access Solutions Private Limited. It is located in Chennai location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 80,000 rupees per month. Openings for voice process outbound. Experience. Freshers or experienced candidates both can be eligible to apply, and walk-in details are provided here. Timings will be 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. To apply for this job position, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9037355685. Next, there is a job opening for billing executive from SARF Communication Private Limited. It is also located in Kilpok location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 13,000 rupees per month. Responsibilities and duties: billing of data into software, data entry. These are the responsibilities and the duties mentioned here. And key skills will be computer knowledge, typing, basics of Word, Excel should be known. And coming to experience and qualifications, beginner with good knowledge and self-drive can be considered. Need to know handling about smartphones. These are the experience and qualification details. Please check with the information provided here. We have provided here the address details and contact number. Any queries, please contact with the address details and the contact number provided here. Next, there is a job opening for BPO, Tamil Voice Process, from Tranche India. It is located in Gandhi, Chennai location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 rupees per month. They are hiring for team leader and telecaller and also customer support. They are giving a salary range between 12k to 15k. It is a full-time and part-time job, and also it is available from work from home available, located in Chennai. They need for both the freshers and experienced candidates. Final year students can also be eligible to apply for this job position. Please check with this ones. Interested candidates, please you can contact with the given phone number, that is 97911 Next, there is a job opening for product or process trainer for a product based company from T2S Software Solutions Private Limited, located in Chennai location. They are offering a salary for this position is 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs 50,000 rupees per year. And this is a job description. Please go through it once. And these are the roles and responsibilities provided here. Check with the information provided here. Interested candidates can apply using these phone numbers. You can approach using these phone numbers. We have provided here these two phone numbers, that is first one 73050211181, second one 80154250028. Next, there is a job opening for e-commerce executive for this organization. It is located in Chennai location. They are offering a salary for this position is 35,000 rupees per month. And for this job position, education qualification will be degree in marketing management or business or information systems are similar. And please check with the requirements and the skills needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 7550162399. Next, there is a job opening for customer relationship executive from Aeron India. It is located in Chennai location. They are offering a salary range between 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Day-to-day responsibilities include responding to inquiries and setting up appointments. Second one, following up with sales executives until order completion. Third one, updating details at every stage in our CRM. Candidates with prior knowledge of CRM software and prior experience in customer relations roles would be preferred. Interested candidates for this job position, please contact with the given phone number, that is 8939999534. Next, there is a job opening for sales and marketing executive from Vensal Automation. They are offering a salary for this position is 25,000 to 35,000 rupees per month. And we have provided here all the details about this job position. Check with the information provided here, and for further details you can contact with the given phone number, that is 98416230019. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. Thanks for watching the video, my dear friends.